and tall. B is for bats flying through the nightfall. C is for cats purring with delight. D is for deer, graceful and light. E is for eel, slithering in the sea. F is for frog, hopping merrily. G is for goose, honking all around. H is for hermit crab, crawling on the ground. I is for iguana, basking in the sun. J is for jaguar, always on the run. K is for koala, hugging a tree. L is for lion, roaring with glee. M is for monkey, swinging high and low. N is for narwhal, with its horn aglow. O is for otter, playful in the stream. P is for polar bear, in the Arctic dream. Q is for quail, scurrying on the ground. R is for rooster, crowing all around. S is for shark, swimming in the deep. T is for turtle, moving slow but sweet.